School bursar shot and succumbed to his injuries in Hanover. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. The police are probing the murder of a man said to be a bursar in the vicinity of the Hopewell High School in Hanover on Wednesday afternoon. The man was reportedly leaving the compound of the school where he was employed when he was fatally shot by unknown assailants around 4 p.m. The police were subsequently alerted and the man was found laying in a pool of blood. Crime scene investigators are currently processing the scene. Links 007 TV will continue to track this story and have more details to come on this in a later newscast. Thanks for watching.